If you're seeing all these lights on your Subaru dashboard, there is a quick fix that many have said works, and you can disconnect the negative terminal from your battery and leave it disconnected for 5 minutes. Then reconnect the terminal, and all the code should reset. If for some reason they reset and then they come back on in a couple minutes, then it's probably time for you to bring your car into the dealership. I recently had all these lights show up on my 2019 Subaru Forester. I had the vehicle towed to the dealership. The dealer ran the codes and determined that the vehicle needed a new thermal control valve. Some people said they've been able to reset these lights by just tightening the gas cap. However, in our case, it was the thermal control valve, and as you can see here in the receipt from the dealership, that the dealer, even though the vehicle was out of warranty, decided to warranty that part and fixed it for free. So I hope this helps.